You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly. Yes, it's a boy's name. It's also a surname of French origin, meaning Welsh, in fact. Did you know it means Welsh or foreigner? The English pronunciation is as Wallace. Okay, so the spelling makes it a little bit confusing because it's spelled with an A and it's actually pronounced more with an O sound. Wallace, and then it's not Wallace or Wallace. Wallace, just a schwa sound and a sound. Wallace, stress on the first syllable. Easy once you know Wallace, and now you know. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.